Presenting the Photographer's Guide to Titlow Park, Tacoma, Washington. A huge 75-acre park nestled in the heart of the Puget Sound. Today I'm going to show you where to take the infamous Tacoma Shot, and arguably the best vantage point to take photos of the iconic Tacoma Narrows Bridge. Let's get into it. This is your photographer's guide to this place. I love taking photos here. Act 1, the Tacoma Shot. If you are traveling to Titlow Park for the first time, when you type it into Google, it might lead you into where all the children playgrounds are. But if you are here for the photography, I recommend that you find the parking lot that is right along the main road. This is the parking lot over to the left. And we want to walk towards the tavern, towards the water. Low tide here at the docks. You can see the Tacoma Narrows Bridge. Right now it's taco. The M and the A is currently grayed out. If you want a taco shot, not a Tacoma shot, this is the place for you to be. I'm going to go ahead and take a couple photos and move on over to the forest to get to the secret area towards the back. If you feel inspired after watching this, hit that subscribe button for more local guides in the future. Act 2, the forest. Alright, we have taken a little stop at the foot of the forest, and we are going to be traveling through the forest to get to the secret region, aka the docks, where you get really cool shots of the Narrows Bridge. We're going to somewhere really cool. Let's go ahead and get you guys over there to the secret region. Act 3, the docks. Huzzah! We have made it through the woods, and we are now entering the region of the park I like to call the docks. Alright, we have made it here at the very end of the pier here at the docks. The tide is insanely low right now. I haven't been here when it's been this low, so this is pretty cool to see. I saw some crabs in the water. As you can see, there is the Narrows Bridge right behind us. It's a really cool spot if you want to come out and take photos. There's really nowhere else that you can get this view of the bridge. If you were on the boat, you could probably go right under it and see all the wonderful angles. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and check out my playlist or watch another video. Goodbye.